Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money with Zelle on Bank of America. Well, sending money with Zelle on Bank of America is pretty simple. What we first and foremost have to do is open the necessary application, conveniently download it, and then log into your personal account. We log in through this clearly visible designated button. Once we tap there, we immediately need to scroll down the menu and look for this option, the Payments and Transfers option. Once we find it, several options will appear here. We're going to choose this one that says Zelle. When we carefully select the option that specifically says Zelle, we will then choose the Payments or Pay option, which is indeed this particular one right here. Once we click on it, we will then need to carefully choose exactly who we are going to send money to. If we already have an existing user added, we simply click on them then. If we want to add a new contact to send money to, we just simply click right here in this specific section right here on the screen. After that, what we're going to do next here is to carefully click this particular button once we've thoroughly entered all the necessary details of the person to whom we are going to send the money. Once we successfully click that button, the new contact will then be readily available to easily select and subsequently send money to, so we can then proceed to select them from the list. Once we select them, here we will choose which account we want to use to send the money and how much money we want to send, that is, the amount we want to send. After that, we simply click the next button and the money will be successfully sent to its intended destination. That's it. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.